Hi, Sterling. Do you say Dada? Or are you just going to try to reach for this thing, which is going to tear everything up? You're going to reach for that thing. Yeah. Hey, look. Avery. You boys enjoying the rain?
Oh, this is the cutest picture on the side. You gotta come look at this.
Oh, Leif just photobombed the video.
It looks like Where's Waldo?
Oh my lord.
This is every video.
What are you doing, Avery? Sterling, you better fight your way out of that corner. See, all they needed was a little fresh air. Right? Just a little fresh air. See, this is why Daddy keeps an empty iPhone, so he can take super long videos. Mm-hmm. Oh, Sterling. Oh. There you go. There you go. Oh. Little buddy. Little buddy. Huh? Yeah. Avery, you're gonna end up hurting your brother. What are you doing, man? Oh. Uh-huh. Bumped their heads.
Are they both crying?
Yeah, they bumped their heads.